Let's see how to make some juices using the InstaCuppa cold press slow juicer. So first I'm using the juice strainer. You need to first place the juicing bowl and then align the rectangle of the strainer and the juicing bowl so that it doesn't move. Then place the auger as shown. Now place the feeding chute and twist it to lock it. Open the feeding chute and add apple, beetroot and carrot pieces. Ensure that you close the lid before you start the juicer. Just power on the juicer and let it do its job. The pulp will be separately collected in the pulp jar and the juice will get collected in the bowl, which you can later empty in the juice jar. You can use the leftover pulp in recipes. Serve the ABC juice right away and enjoy it fresh. For some pineapple juice, with the same juice strainer, I'm adding some pineapple pieces. As you can see, very quickly the pineapple juice is being prepared by this juicer. Juice from a hard fruit like pineapple is very easy to extract using this juicer. After juicing, you can separate all the parts. First, you need to remove the chute, auger, strainer and the juicing bowl.